and welcome to Enterprise University. In the first part of this exercise, we will learn how to create and manage to-do activities. As we move along in our business, we have different types of tasks that we carry out on a regular basis. For example, we do our tasks in a step-by-step basis. We can define each step as an activity category and know which steps to take after it. From the CRM module, click on the activity menu and select activity category. For this example, we will create the following categories: planning, which is the first step of the process, execution as our second step, and monitoring as the last step. Save and close this window. Please be reminded that we don't need to set this up every time we create an activity. This is just for demonstration purposes. Later in this tutorial, we will see why we set up activity categories. We will now create an activity. From the CRM module, click on the activity menu and select New Activity. The new activity form will display. First, we need or add the subject or purpose for our to-do activity. The default activity type is set to do. We will keep this activity type. We can optionally select a contact if the to-do activity involves a contact from your customers or supplier, sales representative or warehouse staff, or a personal contact. The default user assigned is the login user. We can change this to assign the activity to another user in an Enterprise Suite and make the activity visible to them in the to-do list. We can also make this activity viewable for members of a team. We can change the default current dates in the start and end date fields. We can choose the dates on a calendar or simply increment, decrement dates using the arrow keys. We can optionally indicate the priority and location for the activity. We can set up reminders to pop up before the activity is due. We need to be reminded of the activity. We will set this by clicking on the reminder checkbox and setting the number of hours or days. We can optionally set an activity category to further classify the activity. We will select the planning category we set up earlier. Whenever applicable, we can link an opportunity or a campaign wave to this activity. We can optionally add more details in the Details tab. Take note of the status field from the toolbar. By default, all activities are set to Not Started. We can change the status as the activity progresses. After entering all the necessary information, we choose from any of the saving options. Thank you for watching. In the third part of this exercise, we will learn how to manage calls and callback activities.